Today's goodness in a bowl is a recipe that's absolutely perfect for winter. And yes, it's amazing for weight loss too. We are making Kulthi Dal Rasam. Here I have soaked Kulthi Dal overnight and pressure cooked it for 3 to 4 whistles. After cooking, I have strained the water and this nutritious stock becomes the base of our rasam. Now let's make the rasam. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, we'll add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, a few fresh curry leaves, and 3 to 4 slit green chillies. Now saute this well. We'll add in 1 sliced onion and giving it all a good mix. Then I add 1 chopped tomato, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Cover this with a lid and let the tomato and onions cook for a while. Once they are nice and soft, it's time to add our flavor pack liquid. I'm pouring about 2 cups of Kulthi Dal stock, 1 cup of tamarind juice, and 2 teaspoons of Red Chilli Powder. Add salt to taste and mix everything well. Add a little water if needed. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and letting the rasam simmer for about 5 minutes more. Finally, garnish this with some coriander leaves. Turn off the gas and transfer it to a bowl. Your Horse Gram Rasam is ready. Warm, comforting and so nutritious, especially during winter season. Do try out and let us know if you would like to see more rasam recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food.